First of all, I would like to introduce myself. So, in academic, and I did my BTech from Indraprasth Engineering College, which is affiliated from APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow. So, I am really fascinated about mechanical engineering and most commonly the design part of the mechanical engineering. Currently, I am working as a data and application engineer in Objectify Technologies Private Limited, Noida. So it's basically a 3D printing company. We just do we print metal layer by layer. Like we print metal and provides projects to DRDO, ISRO. We have to do a all India test, and if we get the rank, we will get the internship. So what I really felt different from this Elite Techno internship, that you also give us research paper to read, because anyone can give a recorded lecture and say that your internship is over and give me certificate. That thing was really very unique about you. And also the every Sunday your teachers and all the students gave a discussion talk on Microsoft Teams. So we really discussed various things about finite element analysis, and it was a really good environment in the internship. We never thought that it's online internship, कि ये तो हो जाएगा, certificate ही तो लेना है. So it was not like that for me. It can be for various person, but I really invest in something that I really want to do. I was doing CAD for 1 year, and after that I really want to know that the finite element analysis is the application of the CAD. Like we made something and how it will behave in this universe. Your internship acted as a proper base for foundation in the finite element analysis. It really gave me a great platform to make myself aware about the finite element analysis. And it was not like it was really complex thing, but the internship was the perfect topic were choose. You really have to find the passion in the initial year of college, and to find passion is not an easy task. Feel that the college is the most important thing other than 12th and 10th, because you really have to do the application thing of your domain in college. I really appreciate that your company is doing. It's not about free or paid thing. It's just giving the right information. It's not like you just record lectures. I really feel that it was really good experience. Mostly the application based experience. It was not like the theoretical part, but application based of the thing.